how to post carousel on Instagram. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. If you're looking to post a carousel styled list of photos on Instagram on your app, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Let's jump straight in. The first thing you want to do is locate the plus sign on the bottom of your screen. You can do this on any page from Instagram. So you're going to go ahead and tap that. Now, just take into consideration that you do need to be logged into the account that you would like to post from. So as you can see over here, I have the option to post this image, and I can just tap on next on the top right hand side of the screen. But what I want to do is post a carousel. So you have this select multiple right at the bottom over here, and now you can actually select more than one image. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to select our images. Now you can see right at the bottom of the images there are numbers on them. So as you're going, you can go ahead and you can select the appropriate images. Now let's say that I don't want this first image to be my cover image. If I tap it, it actually goes away, and number 2 then becomes number 1, which is then the first image. So you can go ahead and choose the images in the order that you would like them in, and you can post up to 10 images. So once you've selected all your images, you can see that you've got now 10 images, and it says the limit is 10. One of the other things you need to do here is make sure that at the bottom right hand side of the screen where the toolbar is to select the post, story, reel, or live, post is actually selected. So you're making a post, not a story or a reel or a live feed. You can go ahead and you can tap on next on the top right hand side of the screen. If you would like to take a picture while doing your image upload, you can do so too. On the right hand side there is a capture image button. We can go ahead and tap on next. Now as you can see right over here, you get some filters that you can put on to all of your images. Every single one of them you can do individually. However, I'm going to leave them just the way they are, but you can go through and see if there is a filter or a special effect that would suit some of your images. Once you're done, you can go ahead and tap on next. And right from this page over here is where you will basically define all of the details of your carousel post. You can add anything from a location to tagging people. You can change the audience that can actually view this carousel post. You can also add a get orders, which basically allows you to make sales directly from your images if you are advertising for your business and you're selling physical products. You can also add reminders onto the actual images, and you can also then add in a fundraiser if that is your purpose. You can share only to your own profile, and if you have some other profiles that you're managing, you can go ahead and select that on, and then select the accounts or the profiles that you would like to share in. You can now also have the option to boost your post, and boosting your post is basically like creating an advertisement, and it'll go and be distributed to a wider audience. You can now also go ahead and post to other Instagram accounts directly from this page, and then you can post to Facebook as well. There are a couple advanced settings, just like the hiding your likes and view counts on the actual post. You can also manage your comments, turning them on or off, and then the accessibility, which is your alt text. So alt text basically is how the Google algorithm search engine finds images on all the other platforms on the internet. So once you're pretty much happy with that, you can go down and there's a big blue share button, and you can tap on that. Now over here it says automatically share to Facebook, and this is if your Facebook account is actually linked to your Instagram account, or you can tap on share to Instagram only. You can see now that the post has been made, and it is in fact in a carousel format, and you can now scroll through these images as I'm doing right now. And you can see right at the top of the right hand side of the screen, there's a count as to which number photograph it is. From here, of course, you can do the rest of the actions as you can on any other post, such as liking, sharing, and commenting. If you want to know more cool tips on mobile devices, go ahead and tap on this video, and we will see you on the other side.